Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can easily create a bingo card simple game on Canva. So here I've already opened a blank design on Canva, and to find the bingo card feature you need to go to apps menu at the left panel in here, and then you need to scroll down until you find the create something new, and then you'll find the bingo card feature. So just click on this, and then the bingo card feature will be open in the left panel. So you can create a simple bingo card game by entering a set of words and choosing its attributes below. So here there are popular words from a category that you can choose, but you can also add your own words if you want. But I'm going to just select one category from here. I'm going to select the Harry Potter, and then there will be a set of words automatically added in the text box in here. And if you scroll down, you can adjust, or you can adjust the grid size. Just click on here. You can choose the grid size. I'm going to go 5x5s, and you can also select the number of cards that you want to create. I'm going to go with 6. And you can also choose the fonts that you use in the bingo card. I'm going to go with impact, and here you can also use to draw the grid lines or not. And if you're done, just click on the create bingo cards. Just wait. Okay, so you can see now the bingo cards will be created like this. This is the generated cards. There are 6 cards because I write 6 before. So you can just click on this, and it will be added to your blank design. So I'm going to set image as background, and after that you can just print these cards right here and start playing the game. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, comment, and also click on the thanks. Bye bye.